Hello there, welcome to the Sound channel. Today we're going to talk about the R sound. So are you ready? Let's get started. In Vietnamese, we have two ways to pronounce this letter. First, this letter can pronounce like the Z sound. To know more about the Z sound, click the link in the description. Today I'm going to talk about the second way to pronounce this sound. It's R. The R sound always occurs at the beginning of the word, like in the word rồi. Now let's see how to pronounce this sound. First, tip of your tongue touches the alveolar ridge, and it is rolled up and back. Below the air between the tongue and the alveolar ridge, your tongue is cupped and the sides are raised and the center is slightly depressed. Open your mouth slightly, stretch your lips a little bit. The last thing you have to remember about the R sound, that it is a voice sound, so you have to vibrate your vocal cords like R, 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 rồi. Now let's try to say some words with the R sound. I'm going to say the word first, then you'll have a few seconds to copy exactly how I pronounce the word. Ra, rổ, rá, rễ, rau, run, rất, rán, ruộng, râm, rượu, ruốc, râu, rêu, rồng, rộng, rộn ràng, ròng rọc, râm ran, rón rén, run rẩy. Now let's try to say a sentence with many of the R sound. We're gonna do it in 3 steps. On the first step, I'm gonna say the sentence very slowly. Then I'm gonna do it a little bit faster. And on the last step, I'm gonna say the sentence with a normal speed. Tôi rón rén uống rượu ngoài ruộng. Now a little bit faster. Tôi rón rén uống rượu ngoài ruộng. Now with normal speed. Tôi rón rén uống rượu ngoài ruộng. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.